Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I did a Dollar Tree haul a few minutes ago. Right now it's uploading. But I'm going to review these makeup items that I did buy at the Dollar Tree. They're from Hard Candy. Now, this one here, it says Scratch and Sniff, and it has like a little strawberry. It's Hard Candy. It says Fox in a Box. And when I first bought it, I thought it was some kind of weird item in there, or, like false nails or whatever. Wasn't really sure. After looking at it, I found out it's a blush. So I finally opened the package here. It's a nice little square box. And it's got like a little modern character on here. But it reminds me of the 40s and the 50s. Something like Benefit of the little girls, the women on there posing for the stuff. It's a really cute little box. And when you open it up, it has like this little tiny little bristle brush that they tape to the box. Now this is for like using as a blush brush or whatever. It's silky, but I'm not too crazy about these type of brushes. It feels cheap. I don't know, like the bristles will come out, so I don't know if I'm going to use this. But the blush is so pretty. And I thought it was the actual packaging when I bought it. Let me see if I could take this out. Okay, I took the plastic covering off of it. So this is the blush. Look how shimmery and pretty that is. Super, super pretty. I don't want to dig in there because I don't want it like broke. But let me smell and see if it smells like strawberries. If you go up close, like you put your nose really deep inside of it, it does smell like strawberry. It smells like a strawberry ice cream. That type of smell. But it's very light. But it's so pretty. So I'm not really into pinks. I wear browns and nudes and stuff like that for blush. But look how pretty that is. It's very shimmery. So this would be beautiful as a highlighter. Or, if you want to wear pink, I'll still wear it. And you can also use it as an eyeshadow too if you don't want to wear it as a blush. So it's so shimmery and pretty. Very glossy. I like the way it looked. And then when you're done, you just, close the little box. You got to press down a little bit, but the box will close. So I thought that was interesting from Hard Candy. Cute little packaging. Like I said, it reminds me of Benefit and those, the female characters they put on their packaging. Or there's other companies that have that too, with the girls from the 40s and the 50s. So it's really interesting. So that's cute. And then I bought, like I said, I bought a whole bunch of these. I bought 3 because like I said, it was the only color they had. It looks like this. It says Metal Glaze. And it looks just like this. And it says it's for your eyes, for your lips, whatever. And I have 2 other packages here. And then I also bought this night repair cream, I think it is. It's like a night repair. I thought it was a primer. So anyway, I'm going to open this up and I'm going to swatch it. And then I'm going to tell you what I think about it. So yeah, guys, I swatched it on my hand, and it is a beautiful green. It looks gray in the packaging, but that was the only color I seen. So this is a really beautiful metallic greenish color. And you can see like a little bit of iridescent colors in there. You can see that? You can see a little bit of gold, shimmer. You can see silver. It's nice. And then it dries. So this would be perfect for your eyes. I don't think I will wear this as a lipstick. No way. But on the packaging here. On the packaging here, it says Metal Glaze. It says 12. So I can't even read it with this flash. But anyway, you can see the pictures here. You can put it as an eyeliner or whatever you want to do with it. You can also use it on your eyes as an eyeshadow base. Eyeshadow. And then your lips. So, and it says smudge proof formula. And it's new. Metal Glaze. So, yeah. I think it's called Sour. Come on, zoom in, guys. Zoom in. I don't even see the color. It won't even zoom in for some reason. It won't focus. So anyway, this was, like I said, this was the only one that I've seen. They had a whole bunch of them, but the same color. I was looking to see if they had other colors. They don't. But in the packaging, it looked at like a smoky type of gunmetal gray chrome, which I really love too. So this is really pretty. So I definitely recommend these if you like metallic chrome. So that's what it looks like. Metallic, really nice. So yeah, this would be beautiful as a shadow. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this quick little Dollar Tree review on the Hard Candy Cosmetics. And let me know if you ever seen these or try them. But this blush right here, it does remind me of Benefit. It's really nice. It's a cute little box. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this little review. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.